ready to build strength and enhance mobility in just 5 minutes. This routine is perfect for unlocking tight muscles, improving balance, and setting a strong foundation for your day or workout. Fam, you can do this anywhere, at home, in the gym, or even outdoors. Each stretch is focusing on creating stability and flexibility while energizing your body. Let's hit the mat and feel the transformation. Fam, let's start with a stretch that unlocks your hips and builds strength in your legs. Think of this as the key to unlocking better movement. Stand with your feet slightly wider than hip width apart and your knees pointed outward. Drop your hips down into a deep squat, keeping your back straight and your chest lifted. Place your elbows on the inside of your knees and press outward gently to open your hips further. Stay here and breathe deeply, rocking side to side if it feels good. Let gravity help you sink deeper into the stretch. This stretch improves hip mobility, strengthens your legs, and helps release tension in your lower back. If you're just starting out, hold on to a sturdy surface, like a chair or a wall, for balance. If you've been doing this for a while, you feel like it's too easy, add gentle pulses at the bottom of the squat for an extra challenge. Slowly stand back up, feeling your legs more grounded and your hips more open. Let's now move into some standing strength work. Time to activate your legs and open your chest. A low lunge is all about standing strong and feeling balanced. Step your right foot forward into a lunge, with your left foot angled slightly outward behind you. Bend your front knee, keeping it over your ankle, and raise your arms overhead. Square your hips forward and lift your chest high. Feel the stretch through your hips, chest, and shoulders. Hold steady for 30 seconds, breathing deeply and letting your body find its balance. Now step your left foot forward and repeat the stretch. Feel the same power and stability on this side. This is about finding symmetry and balance in your body. This movement strengthens your legs, opens your chest, and improves balance and coordination. Keep your back knee slightly bent for more stability. Deepen the lunge and lean slightly back for a more intense stretch. Step your feet together and let's take things to the mat to work on your core stability. Lower back onto all fours and prepare to stretch out your spine with a dynamic movement. Let's flow through a dynamic stretch that lengthens your spine and energizes your body. Push up into downward dog. Lift your hips high. Lift your heels toward the ground and feel the stretch through your hamstrings and back. From here, flow forward into cobra stretch. Lower your hips to the mat. Press into your palms and lift your chest toward the sky. Move back and forth between these two stretches, letting your breath guide each transition. Inhale as you lift your hips and exhale as you glide forward. This movement is improving your spinal flexibility, stretching your hamstrings, and opening the chest. If you're just starting out, feel free to keep your knees slightly bent in downward dog and lower onto your forearms in cobra. If you're like, hey Nate, this is too easy, well, let's deepen the stretch by pushing your hips higher and lifting your chest further. Settle back into downward dog for a final stretch. Then step forward into a low lunge. We're finishing strong with a stretch that twists out tension and creates space in your body. It's like the world's greatest stretch. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge with your left knee grounded. Plant your left hand on the mat and twist your torso to the right, reaching your right arm toward the sky. Hold here, breathing deeply and feeling the stretch through your hips and spine. Switch sides now. Step your left foot forward, twist to the left, and reach your arm upward. Feel the rotation release tension in your back and open your chest. The stretch is improving your hip mobility, spinal rotation, and upper body flexibility. Keep your twist shallow and focus on the hip stretch if you're starting out. If you feel more flexible and mobile, lift your back knee off the mat for a deeper stretch in the hips and legs. Step back into a comfortable position and take a deep breath in to close out the routine. Fantastic job, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've stretched, strengthened, and energized your entire body. Just like I promised you. If this routine left you feeling powerful, smash that subscribe button and join the fam for more quick and effective sessions. Don't forget to grab your free customizable fitness program using the link in the description. It's packed with tools to help you crush your fitness goals, stay strong, stay flexible, and I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.